we will move on to the last lecture of the day. It will be given by Peter Bosschaert. He's a gastroenterologist in Asset Imelda in Monheden, and he's also the president of our Belgian organization of Crohn and colitis. So I think it's an ideal combination that we have today with colleagues from GIEQs and then our president from BERT. And the topic that we wanted Peter to comment today, I think it was related to clinical decision making, I think, Peter. So please, the floor is yours. I hope the slides are already.
Yeah, the slides are ready. So thank you, Triana, for the kind introduction and to bring this talk here. I put the, yeah, okay. Okay. So indeed, it will talk about clinical decision making here, and I want to bring everything that we saw in the previous hours here into practice and how we deal with the assessment of the colon and ileum in patients with Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, and bring that to a real decision. So from looking at the colon to a clinical decision. So learning objectives is quite straightforward. So we will, as I said, we will translate the endoscopy into clinical practice, and we will mainly be guided by the STRIDE recommendations and the standard of care approach that we have. And I will also briefly discuss the concept of endoscopic healing and the depth of endoscopic healing that we want to achieve. So first of all, if we do endoscopy, and this is very practical, I think we need to have a plan up front. Without a plan, there's no good medicine, and there's certainly not good quality in the medicine that we do. So we need a straightforward planning of what we're going to do when planning an